So this problem's been going on for quite a while now. Every time you press the button to unlock the charge cable, it makes this horrendous noise, as you'll hear in a wee second. Here we are on the NISSAN LEAF again. As you can see, we've taken it all apart there. We've got all the plastics on the ground. See it all? So you just undo all the plastic clips, see them there? That takes your tray off. And then what will happen, you take the 4 bolts off for the charging port, and that allows the charging port just to move back. You're not touching any live wires here, they're all hidden. So this is a charge port locking mechanism. You can see the little cog on the side there, that little cog, if ever it gets stuck, so if your charging cable gets stuck in the port, you use that little cog and you wind it back and that'll undo it. However, on this occasion, what we're doing, we're going to take this whole unit off. So undo the white electrical clip there. We've got 3 anti-tamper screws at the other side, so it's like a Torx with a pin in the middle. So I've opened it up and it's bad news. See the little cog here? That one snapped, the little pin snaps. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So I've managed to glue it all back together. It's not going to last, it's not going to work like that. You need something else to support it. So what we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole in the side. All the cogs in here are looking okay. The sort of greenish one looks a little bit twisted, but it was actually okay. So I've glued the thing back together and I've placed it back in, and we're going to drill a hole exactly here. And then we're going to put a pin through it, just a small pin. So that's it all put back together again. And I've just pushed the charger in and went through the sequence again. I put a little bit of grease inside with the cogs and made sure that I'd glued that pin in place. As you can see, it's working perfectly now.